Sunlight Unit 2 Level 6 Nick, Jane and Shane. On your mark, get set, go!
A calm naps in the shade. His name is Nate. This is Nate's mom. Her name is Jane. Jane gave Nate a shake. Wake up, Nate. This is Nate's dad. His name is Shane. Shane has mane. It is not safe to pet Nate, Jane, and Shane.
Okay, read just a little bit faster. 좀 더 빠르게 읽어줄까? 오늘 음악 get set, go!
A calm naps in the shade. His name is Nate. This is Nate's mom. Her name is Jane. Jane gave Nate a shake. Wake up, Nate. This is Nate's dad. His name is Shane. Shane has mane. It is not safe to pet Nate, Jane, and Shane.
좋았어. 이번엔 마지막. Read as fast as you can. 읽을 수 있는 가장 빠르게 읽어주세요. 오늘 음악 get set, go!
A calm naps in the shade. His name is Nate. This is Nate's mom. Her name is Jane. Jane gave Nate a shake. Wake up, Nate. This is Nate's dad. His name is Shane. Shane has mane. It is not safe to pet Nate, Jane, and Shane.
수고하셨습니다.